carefully. Come
There
back soon.
is. Wow, a lot of people there.
Oh, we went past that when we left, right?
Yep, because it was too crowded like this. Let's name them. One by one. Here's a motel on the strip. Tropicana.
Tropicana.
It's a sign. That's a billboard.
Yeah. Luxor is there.
So right now we're passing
Sign.
MGM. The big
Let's
one.
go. Look at that there. MGM.
Oh.
About the McDonald's, taco here.
I can hold McDonald's.
So we're going to Las Vegas.
Strip.
Going back.
Going to the Las Vegas, in the center of Las Vegas.
Our first hotel, Treasure Island.
Yep.
So check that in our seat.
Right in there. See that blank spot in there?
Yeah.
See my finger? It's pointing?
Yeah.
Well, the casino hotel right there.
Wow. Make expensive
Right.
this
So the courtyard,
hotel.
the residence inn,
Yeah.
and the Fairfield, all from the Marriott.
Yeah.
We'll be right there. We'll be able to walk right across the street. There'll be restaurants,
Mega bus. See that?
casino. The Marriott has a policy. They don't do, the casinos in their hotels. But if it's next door, it's all the better.
Next year we'll go for
Vegas trip.
We just go to Las Vegas.
You want me to find a special deal? We stay for 7 nights, and we see like 2 shows. You got to see a show with us, a magic show. We sit in the audience for 2 hours and watch a show. Okay?
7 nights, like Holiday Express.
Oh, there's nothing special. Holiday Express. It's not a fancy room or nothing.
Haven't tried it for 8,000
I don't know what you want to do. Maybe we should come here in March. Want to come here in March next year?
While we freezing?
Yep.
Las Vegas. So I'm tipping 100.
But you know what show they have here in March?
What?
NASCAR. You want to go to NASCAR?
Well, you know, Daddy,
Yeah.
the Nevada NASCAR race is not in March.
Las Vegas. NASCAR.
That's like June.
It's in March. Unless they. Yep. Let's make a right and go see the sign and come back.
What's that?
Yeah.
Las Vegas?
Yep.
The famous Las Vegas?
Yep.
Yeah, it's right up here. In the window of Huey.
Maybe have
Yeah.
many people there.
I'll be packed. Hour away.
Just look.
Doesn't come out at night anyway.
Yeah. It's dark.
There it is. There's the sign.
There he is. The famous.
What if there's
Las
nobody there?
Vegas.
What are you gonna do then? Take a picture?
Yeah.
Nobody there. Now I see people.
10 o'clock now.
I see hundreds of people.
Where is it?
Drive carefully. Come
There
back soon.
is. Wow, a lot of people there.
Oh, we went past that when we
Yeah.
left, right?
Yep, because it was too crowded like
Ah,
this.
we not go there, huh? There's so many.
Well, I'm turning around. Okay.
Soup somebody. Take that.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
There's only one. That's it. That's the one.
You might be in the wrong one then.
You don't want to go.
The one I remember
nighttime.
says the famous Las
Oh, it does nothing to do with Huey. The one who's famous one. Doo-doo.
There you go, RJ.
Look at the thousands of cars coming.
Torn.
Playing one right over us. Okay, here we go. Look at the sign, RJ.
There is Mandalay Bay.
Las Vegas. You got it?
Yep.
Las Vegas, Nevada is all gated up. Look at this. Didn't used to be this way.
Yes, the famous Las Vegas.
That's the one I know, but
Don't look like that bad of a line.
that's the thing I know. But the thing I know, they changed it.
Okay.
It used to be in the city.
Las Vegas, Harley Davidson.
Yep.
Okay, so we're heading to the Strip.
It used-
Mandalay
it
Bay
used to be at the
is the first casino.
There
it
is
used to be
the
at
hotel.
The city, and we came in a circle. Like that, and then
Maybe it's the one on the north side. That's
Yeah.
what you're thinking of. The circle, yeah, you're right. It's the north side. We're in the south side right now.
that was not the right one.
Right, it's not as bright.
Famous one. That's not really the not famous one.
Well, North Vegas was there first, I think. I'm not sure. North Vegas.
Mandalay Bay.
McDonald's on the Strip. Now that's
Yep.
a good franchise to have.
We went there.
Yep.
We did. Last time we were here a week ago.
Yeah, we've been there, RJ. There you go.
Okay, let's name them.
Okay.
One by one. Here's a motel on the Strip.
Okay.
T-shirts,
Name all,
souvenirs.
honey.
And here we are. Diablo's Casino. I assume it's a casino. Diablo's. Coming up is MGM Grand.
Yep.
The
MJ.
Luxor. We're passing right now. It looks like a pyramid. It's got a light on it on
Yeah,
the top.
there. Yep, we cannot see.
The Luxor.
Dark.
Tropicana.
Tropicana.
It's a sign. That's a billboard.
Yeah. Luxor is there.
So right now we're passing
Sign.
MGM, the big one.
There is
What's
the-
this one called? Excalibur. Passing Excalibur.
I see the Trump.
On the left, Excalibur.
Yeah.
On the right, we still got MGM.
I see
Yeah.
the Trump Tower.
And it looks like the Tropicana. Yeah. You see the Trump Tower?
Where is it?
Missing, I don't see it.
I not see RJ.
Covered by. I
There's,
see Treasure Island.
these walking bridges are pretty cool.
I see Treasure Island.
You do.
You see it?
It's looking too far ahead. Okay, we got, what's this on the right? Can you read it?
Where is it? Right.
I see New York, New York.
Yeah, there's New York, New York.
The Hershey,
Statue of Liberty,
the Hershey chocolate.
Empire State
factory.
Building.
It's nice at night time. Have many lights.
Yep, police. Then there's all kinds of shopping and fast food.
See
Trump, I see Trump. I see Planet Hollywood.
see under it,
That's three.
Oh yeah, I see Trump. Yeah.
says that's Treasure Island.
Oh, you're pronouncing things now better. What
Look,
they call that?
look in front of
Blending.
you.
Blending.
Yeah.
Treasure.
And here's Park MGM. And I don't recall this one.
Yep.
It must be new. Park MGM.
Look like brand new that there.
And then they've got,
See treasure?
they have bands.
See treasure under the
And that's RJ. Where's the treasure island?
Yep, I see it. Treasure.
Where is it? I not see RJ.
Under Trump about. Go straight down from Trump. You
Ah,
see the first 5 letters.
so
first
far
4
away,
letters.
RJ. Why you ahead, RJ?
It's too far, yeah.
better eye vision.
They
Yeah,
have
but-
bands out here.
Yep.
Right down there.
There's Hard Rock Cafe.
Yeah, there's Denny's. These lights are long. They're long.
Yep, so long the light.
And then it's like, hey, this is the Strip. I want to go slow. Everyone wants to go slow.
Yep, look at that. The people there. Have a lot of people walking.
Are there any more grasshoppers out there? I don't see any.
I not see here.
None here on the strip.
Yeah, some mini.
That's good.
Some mini cars.
Roll them over.
Yeah.
Flip, flip.
Okay.
Yes, go. The light is go. Look at that dirt. MGM.
Red palms. I see red palms.
Okay.
Next.
CVS is everywhere. They got a pharmacy right
Yep, CB is there. Area.
here. Aria. Japanese.
Area. Look at that light there. It's purple.
There's also
There's,
chili.
see, there's a big sign up that says Hollywood, but I don't know if
Yeah.
that's Planet Hollywood. I thought it was on the other side.
Hollywood.
I see
Dolls.
chilies. There's one plastic.
Planet Hollywood. Yeah. There it is. It is on this side. It is.
Yeah.
Another McDonald's. Lots of souvenir shops.
Yeah. Lot of casino here.
It's like a fashion mall, I think.
Wow, so bright, RJ. Look at the color. Yellow. Booze. What's
Ow,
that
it's like-
shoes?
You're saying
Straight ahead.
Yeah.
They're filming it. It's on there.
Yep.
The Cosmopolitan. There's the Bellagio.
Yep.
Is this a casino here?
Yeah.
Or the Planet Hollywood? Plenty of food to eat. Taco Bell,
Yeah.
Subway.
McDonald's.
You've got every fast food
But
in the country is here.
it's expensive.
You've got Walgreens, you've got CVS, pharmacy.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's
We also
expensive.
got McDonald's.
Look at the bridge.
Back in the box.
Have us escalator.
There's pizza.
The overpass. Yep.
Twinkies.
Anything, RJ.
There's Hershey's.
A lot of shows here.
Yep. Have many people walk
Yep, this
At
is
night.
Sunday night.
at
too.
night. Yes, and
Most of these
midnight.
people just got here. They're starting their week in Vegas.
Hmm.
We saw the traffic coming home from Vegas today.
And then have a shoot too. The Pirates and the Volcano Mirage. The Pirates is Treasure Island.
Gwen Stefani.
Hmm.
Just a girl. So she sings in Planet Hollywood. Huh?
Yeah.
Go see a show.
No, so long. Let's go now. What's wrong?
This is peak. This is peak drive the strip. Yep. Oh.
About
Yeah.
the McDonald's taco here.
Yeah, this is not even the main part of the strip yet. Caesars is like sits right in the middle.
Yep.
And there's the Bellagio again. Very nice, big building. Wow, it's tall.
You're so tall, huh? Look at that. Cosmopolitan. There is. Cosmopolitan. So tall. Traffic again. My goodness.
There's Caesar's Palace up there. Did you get that one?
Yep.
That's the center of the strip. Look at the size of this truck we got next to us.
Yep. Have no more view.
Carry a tank inside there. Mega bus, it's
My
called.
God.
It's not really a bus. Is there windows there? Yeah,
No.
yes, there is.
I can hold like a building. I can hold a McDonald's.
There's Bellagio again. It just keeps going and going and going.
Yep.
Get a hold of traffic.
Bellagio.
Paris. You don't know what's what. Now there's Glen Stefani in front of Paris. I thought it was Planet Hollywood. It does say Planet Hollywood in the Zappos Theater.
Look at that building there.
That's too much. I'm reading Bellagio for the last 2 blocks over here on the left.
A lot of people walking. Look at that.
Yep, temperature is
Almost
99
Wow, 99. Almost 100, huh? Temperature here.
at 10:45. Quarter to 11. It's 99.
Yeah.
It's gonna be 111 tomorrow in
There's
Vegas.
My
the Oregon
goodness.
man.
What are you, Oregon man?
The Yinkin.
Thinking.
Oh, from Oregon.
Yeah, the
Oregon.
trip.